Before we take a look at what's going on tomorrow in Europe, here's a glance at today's headlines. Standard Chartered begins its fight back against the New York banking regulator. The Department of Financial Services accusing the bank of money laundering $250 billion of transactions with Iran. Shares in Standard Chartered continuing to recover today after losing a quarter of their value Tuesday. In China, the woman at the center of a politically explosive trial has not contested murder charges. Gu Kailai, wife of former Politburo member Bo Xilai, is accused of involvement with the murder of British businessman Neil Hayward. Inflation reports, the main data event tomorrow. Germany releasing final consumer price index for July. A Reuters poll expecting it to rise 0.4% month on month, up from negative 0.1% in June. Charles Stanley and Company's Jeremy Batstone-Carr says that Germany must now take care with its next economic move.
Most concerningly, not just for German authorities, but for regional authorities as well, the German economy looks as if it is on the point of caving in as well. It may not be too long before Germany is back in recession. Therefore, the weakness that we are seeing in German inflation does at least provide very valuable scope for the region's monetary authorities to take action, and fairly swiftly, should they deem it necessary.
Italian CPI also due out. Data there expected to show prices falling 1.6%. The International Energy Agency releases its August oil market report tomorrow morning. OPEC saying earlier today that world oil demand growth could fall short of forecasts next year. The exporter group citing a turbulent global economic outlook, adding it may revise forecasts by up to 20%. The IEA's David Fife will be talking to Reuters tomorrow about that report. Make sure you're with us at 9 BST to catch that. Quick look at earnings and ThyssenKrupp results due. A Reuters poll seeing third quarter earnings down 86%. Germany's biggest steelmaker said last month it would temporarily curb working hours at its 5 steelmaking facilities in Germany, responding to a slowdown in demand. Before we go, let's see what's happening tomorrow on day 14 of the Olympics. The men and women's BMX finals set to kick off at 16:30, with Britain's hopes pinned on Shanatzi Reid, who's first up with the women. Then at 20:40, we'll see the women take to the track for the 4x100 relay before the men compete in the 4x400. Britain among the strongest competitors there. Later tomorrow, eyes will turn to Taekwondo, with the women competing for a gold medal in the under 67 kilo class. That's our look at the day ahead. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.